we have a lot of expectations even this time from Hannover Fairs, especially in the new technology areas. A lot of Indian companies are hunting and looking for a new technology which they can adapt. It's the biggest fair on planet Earth on engineering sector, right from pin manufacturing to the aircraft product and the high-tech products. Everything is on display. I would say it's the best place for every engineers and every engineering company to visit. I invite all the engineering companies to come with EPC and participate in the fair, and that will help us, India, increase its manufacturing, increase its exports to Europe.